Ilang beses mo nang sinabi na tanggap mo na hindi na magiging kayo. Hindi siya yung lalaki na kailangan mo sa buhay mo. But Kat, you never really let go. You tell me you're looking for a responsible, faithful, and kind man. Everything that Waki is not. But I think this is what you hope Waki could be. Naniniwala ka na kaya niyang magbago. Pero Kat, paano kung hindi? Paano kung ayaw niya magbago? But don't get me wrong. I mean, I love Waki. He's my friend too. Katulad mo, nakita ko rin siya nung okay siya. I remember he organized the surprise debut for you when your dad died. Tapos umuwi pa siya from the US nung namatay yung mom mo dahil gusto niya makiramay sa'yo. This was even after nag-away kayo about that kiss. He has his moments, but I think you're holding on to moments. You're holding on to your idea of who you want Waki to be. You should move on and let go for real this time.